Welcome to Watch, Study, and Share. In this video, we are going to show you 15 easy steps on how to become a global Atomy member. Before we begin, we encourage you to subscribe, for this channel is filled with great products and services that will benefit your life. If you want to join for this free lifetime Atomy membership, then follow these 15 steps. Number 1. Go to our homepage at http://www.atomy.com/us/home. Number 2. Click Join Us at the top right corner of the page. Number 3. Enter the sponsor's membership ID. Just a side note, Atomy's marketing plan is a binary and infinite system, meaning the sponsor is only allowed to use their Atomy ID 2 times. For this reason, you can help your downline to progress as they do the same as long they stay active. Contact or email the person who sent this video to you, so they can provide you the sponsor's identification. Number 4. Enter the universal password to access the registration page, which is welcome. Just a friendly reminder to write the password in lowercase. Number 5. Choose your country. Number 6. Read the terms of agreement. Number 7. Check the box or boxes if you agree with the company's policy, then hit confirm. Number 8. Write down your registered cell phone number, then click send a text. Number 9. Once you receive the text, write down the given code to verify your identity, then hit the word authenticate. Number 10. Fill out the Atomy registration form, then click next. Number 11. Enter the sponsor's member ID number, then click on Search. Number 12. Select which center is near you, then hit the button Next. Number 13. Double check your personal information, then click Done. Number 14. Never forget to write down in a notebook the account information, which is your global Atomy identification, and your password, which is located at the bottom of the online form. Number 15. Please don't forget to log out. You are finally done. Congratulations. You made a wise decision of joining Atomy. You can now share your free online mall with your family, relatives, friends, or anyone interested in any part of this world. Just follow the same steps in this video, but replace that sponsor member identification with your own global Atomy ID. If you need a sponsor member identification, please contact the person who sent this video to you. Please show some support by giving us thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Keep in mind that sharing is caring. So, share this video and help someone. Thank you for your time, and God bless.